mean, it's not because it's clips, but it's a lengthy video.
Can you be a little more specific? Precise.
Probably a good 6 or 7 hours, possibly.
Let me hear argument from both sides as to the appropriateness of the jury seeing the entire 6 or 7 hours of that video.
I would just inquire from the jury if they want a particular part of the day
Or
just every single thing that happened.
or what they have already seen.
Right.
Defense?
That's fine, Judge.
Just what they have already seen versus the entire thing?
I'm asking they just what they've seen be
Okay.
shown, but if the court inquires, that's okay too.
Okay.
And then we have 3 body-worn cameras. It's the very first officer that got there, I think the officer that got there second, Tavares, and then Etienne. They're,
Okay.
I think at most, each one is maybe 9 or 10 minutes long.
Okay.
Who is this one?
All right. So are we ready? You ready? You got them queued up, so to speak?
We have all of the ring videos that showed the relevant
Okay.
portions, I guess, during the trial. So we would just play those, I guess, one by one.
Okay.
And then start with Officer Jose.
Well, I will ask them, though, unless either side is opposed to my doing it this way, I'd like to ask them in a manner such as this, that the assumption is that you want to see the video that you have already seen, so far as the ring cameras go. There may be more.
Well, if you do that, Judge, they may
Okay, that's why.
ask for the rest, and we'll be here for the Judge.
I'll have to get another judge to come in here for that.
What we could do is like,
And there may be irrelevant portions and hearsay on those, and that's why I didn't make any objections, because they weren't shown.
Well, if both sides agree, then we'll show them only that which they have already seen, and which is what I think is the proper thing to do in any event.
That's what the defense is asking for, Judge.
and then Judge, if their intent was to see more than these 13 clips, they can rewrite another question at that
Okay,
point, right?
there's 13?
Yeah, but each one is like
Okay,
18 seconds long,
All right.
something like that.
okay. All right, that's what, so then, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to tell them that, what?
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I don't want to interrupt.
No, go ahead.
It also says city and other body cam. I don't know if they want to see the car in the city cam.
City?
It says, and city and other body cam, so it sounds like they want to see the video showing the car in its final resting spot and coming down Broadway. I don't
There
know.
are several city cams.
I missed that. Do we have the original there? No, it says in any other body cam.
Oh, I thought it was city, sorry.
Yeah.
I can't read too good. To me, it looked like city.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Yep, you're welcome. Okay, we ready to bring him in?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Let's bring him in, please.
All rise, jury entering.
Okay, welcome back, folks. I've got everyone take your seats, please. Thank you. All right, I've gotten the question, a series of questions really that you've already provided to me. I've gone over with the lawyers. We're prepared to show you the video, the segments from the ring camera video that you have already seen in evidence, and then we've got the body cam from several different sources that we're going to play for you as well. I guess without further ado, let's play them. You all have to tell me if it's better if I dim the lights. I can't remember for each particular video. All right?
I would say for all of it.
For all of them? Good. Okay.
I'm sorry, Judge, it looks like there's a request to bring the screen closer.
Okay.
You need to
Yeah. Yeah.
Judge, there's a suggestion, the jury wants to step down, would you have any objection to that?
I have no objection to that. As long as they can see, if they can see better that way, then that's fine with me.
This creates such
A glare? Yeah. Okay, so come on down then.
This way, guys, this way.
Be careful of your step. Just ask the deputy questions to me.
Okay, what do you need?
Be careful of your step, please.
Camera, go.
Come on over there. Are you guys where you're at?
Okay, anybody that is okay looking over the plexiglass is fine to do that as well. But don't block one another's view. We've got some people are taller than others. All right, perfect. All right, Mr. Clausey, whenever everyone is ready, go ahead and play.
And then, Judge, just for record purposes, this is State's Exhibit 32. It's the ring videos during the trial.
Thank you.
Judge, can I assist? I think it's missing audio.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Judge, we don't have technical issues. Can I try another clip just to check to see if there's...
Yeah, go ahead. Is that the same equipment we were using for the trial, or is that from a different courtroom? Okay.
Yeah, Judge, could we just take a few minutes so we can get this set up for the juror members? All right, we're good, Judge.
Okay.
Can you switch to the overlay?
Yep.
What do you think? I know you're mad, but you're gonna eventually have to talk, like. I don't know what you think it. Me feel the conversation yesterday. yesterday. He still wants to, he wants to live with you, he wants to be stuck with you.
Rudolph, fucking mother, Jared. Open this door, bro, cause this bitch got me fucked up. Got me stuck.
Who are you calling a bitch, bro?
I wasn't playing with you, bro. Don't worry about that shit. I want to talk to you right now, bro. I want to talk to you right now, bro. Hi, bro. Fuck you, dog. So what, bro? Go do what you do, bro. Go do what you do, bro. You and your feelings. What is it? How was that?
That's the conclusion of the ring videos, Judge?
Okay. You got the other, what exhibit are the individual exhibits for the body cam? I can't remember.
Yep, I'll say right now.
Okay.
The first one is going to be Exhibit 52.
Alright, yeah, it was on 40th and Broadway. Go ahead and start the medics this way. 4015 Broadway. Hey, step back from me, step back from me. Please. Okay. Okay, go back. Yes, ma'am. Hey. 10 for blackmail.
There's also round to the rear passenger of this vehicle. That's why I put those there right here.
That's the location where you're shot at.
I don't feel the pulse.
Like, reason our she doesn't have a pulse.
Yeah.
Is that right here?
What I'm saying?
So that you don't have anything in read?
I don't know, bro. He's not big, right?
Would you review?
Yeah. Hey, what is this? What's wrong? You got a medics 51, correct?
That's why this is here. No, it's divine.
10-4. This dude's probably gonna be 7. What's wrong?
I can't from you possibly 7 medics are being sent in now. That'll do it. Wait, 3.
Oh yeah. I don't know.
I just heard something. What's that?
All right. All right, hey, let's try to take him out, bro. I don't know if it's me or him.
Yep.
Hey,
Yeah.
go.
I think we're still not sure on all of that yet.
Do you feel anything?
So there's my cord.
He sounded?
We're gonna let them confirm it.
Yeah. Okay.
Rudolph, dead black.
Get a light?
He has in the shoulder.
Right, I went from there, same day, I happened in Lake Park.
The only shot they see?
Yeah, I was the only one I see.
I don't hear a lady on.
If the medics transport, I want two of you guys to go, the rest maintain the scene.
23 to 4. We're thinking 7. to Super 97.
Yeah, I don't know, maybe the post on my finger there.
Yeah, that's why I asked you.
Yeah.
If I missed it.
They have another victim in Lake Park. They're 51 to same area now.
All right, Judge, as I stated, that was 52.
Okay.
The next one is Officer Tavares's body-worn camera, which is number 64.
All right.
Where did this occur? Where did this occur?
Down the street.
Where's down the street? What is that? Address.
I don't know the address.
What do you? Where did this occur? Where? In
And Travis's house. Travis Rudolph.
what's Travis?
Travis Rudolph.
What city?
Here.
In the city?
Yes.
Okay, but you know the address?
No, I'm not sure.
Travis Rudolph's house?
Sarge says, ask where this happened.
Yeah, we're still
It
getting.
happened down the street, probably like half a mile, not even a mile. We're trying to get from there down here to the hospital.
Bridge?
We don't know. So much shit is happening. I came like 5 minutes down the road.
Bro, it's important for us to know where it happened. Where did this occur?
No, I did not. I did not. Travis Rudolph's house.
What is Travis Rudolph house? Who's that?
That's his name.
That's his name?
No, Sebastian. Oh my fucking god, bro. Oh my fucking god, man. How can I be walking?
Hey, relax.
I can't.
Relax. What's your name, dude?
Keyshawn Jones.
Keyshawn?
Yes.
Spell it for me. Key. K-E.
I-S.
I-S-H. Spell it again. K-E-I-S-H-A-U-N. Date of birth. Or last name.
10-15-99.
Last name.
Jones.
Middle initial?
J.
Where do you live at?
I live in Delray. Beach.
Address. Address.
1505 Spring Harbor Drive.
1505 Spring
Harbor Drive.
Harbor Drive. Date of birth? Or Delray, right?
Yes, Delray beach 5445.
What's your phone number, man?
412.
Huh?
412-297-1020.
All right, dude. You gotta understand, where did this happen? Did this happen here? Did it happen in Riviera Beach? Did it happen in Lake Park?
Lake Park.
Lake Park?
Lake Park.
Hey, it happened in Lake Park. Lake Park. What's the address?
I don't know.
Bro, I'm telling you, what's the address?
I don't know.
So you don't know where this person lives at?
I don't know where.
All right. This is Lake Park, my dude. Do you know streets at least?
I'm not from here. I'm not from here.
The medics transport, I want you guys to go on the rest of the maintain the scene. 23 to 20, we're making something like this.
So tell me what happened.
3 US 1,
We went to Task I talked to him.
Who's Travis?
Travis is, he's my
Bro, think, I need you to breathe and think.
They have another victim in Lake Park. They're thinking on the same area now.
That's me.
Okay, man. So tell me what happened.
We went to the house and talked to Travis.
Okay.
He came outside trying to argue. We're trying to leave. We're not trying to argue with him.
Okay.
We're on our way out. We get to the car. He runs back in the house, grabs his gun, comes out and starts shooting at us while we're trying to leave.
Okay, and then you guys just started to, you noticed that he was shot, or what happened then?
He was starting to shoot. I didn't know he was shot. I'm driving away. I'm driving away. And he told me,
So Travis, this person named Travis did this?
yes.
Okay. He said Travis, he lives in Lake Park. He doesn't know the address, he just knows it's in Lake Park. Who's Travis? What's Travis?
Travis was my sister's ex-boyfriend.
Okay. And what about Travis? What is...
He came outside with the gun and started shooting at us when we were trying to drive away.
Green light 1474.
Myself and 375, or that's 56, CVS, so it's same area. 100%. Make sure that.
That's right now.
All right, man. So what else happened? You started driving down here to try to get to the hospital. That's when you noticed him shot?
Yes.
Okay. What was he shot at?
I think it is shoulder. I'm not too
Shoulder?
And the device signals on the 7 after again, it gave us 4015 Broadway where the victim is located.
Was this the only vehicle that he was shooting at?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm still over there.
0027. I copy signal 7005.
Any others that are welcome, Mr.
4015 Broadway.
Yeah, that was it. Sean Jones.
Keyshawn.
Keyshawn, my bad. Keyshawn Jones. Keishauan. Middle initial. Last name Jones. 10/15/99. And then he lives at 1505 Spring Harbor Drive. That's in Delray.
Well, you got a description of the vehicle?
He's my sister's ex-boyfriend.
Is he still driving the black
Three,
vehicle?
Yeah.
You need his phone number?
That should cross over SUV?
Keep that or detective. Sebastian what?
Jack.
Jack?
Yes. Yes.
J.A.C.
It's like John Jack.
John Jack? You know how old he is?
He's 21.
Did you give it a 28 by the vehicle up?
2179.
What Bori?
Bori's 2186, I believe.
Hey, you got a better name.
Hey, oh man, let's step over here for me now. Come over here.
Why is he still in the car?
Sit down.
Why is he still in the car, man? Why is he still in the car, man?
Just again, Judge, that was Exhibit 64. And then the last one is State Exhibit 69, which is the body worn camera of Detective Etienne.
All right.
Is it in this Travis Rudolph? Where down the street? What city?
Here.
In the city.
Yes.
Okay, but you don't know the address?
No, I'm not really.
Travis Rudolph's house?
Sarge says ask where this happened.
Yeah,
This happened down the street, probably like half a mile, not even a mile. You're trying to get from there to walk down here to the hospital.
Okay, did you pass the bridge?
We don't know. I can't tell you. So much shit is happening, my boy. I came like 5 minutes down the road.
Bro, it's important for us to know where it happened.
You have that? Is that your phone? No, I did not, bro. I did not.
Shooting at Northland Jasmine, so this might be real. Hold on. Yeah, it was like a 21 round down a 17 round. Alright, they're saying that it's happened at Travis Rudolph's house. Can you look up that name and see what address is on file for him? Hey, come here. No. Yeah. Hey, come here. You sit right here. That way you're in the middle of both of Sit right here, bro. Sit right here. I just almost lost my life, bro. Alright. So, you was at somebody's house?
Yes. We came into his house, we pulled up to talk to him.
Okay.
And he came out wanting to fight.
Okay.
He came out trying to fight. We ended up running back to the car and started airing up the car.
Were you guys in Gardens?
Gardens?
Yeah.
No, we're not Gardens.
No?
It was over here. North Lake. My bad.
You say North Lake?
No. No, I'm not from.
Or Lake Park? Okay.
Or whatever. I don't know if you ever.
I think we're still not sure on all of that yet. I don't know if Travis Rudolph is our victim up here.
I gotta get my head together, please. I'm so scared. I just want to call my mom.
Okay. Alright, we can't have you phone number.
Okay.
You have your bike, you?
I don't. I left it on my car.
Were you the driver?
No, I was not.
Okay, where were you sitting at?
I was in the back.
You're in the back right seat? Did Travis get hit too? Huh?
He's shooting. He was not.
He was shooting?
Yeah.
Okay. So you definitely Travis?
Yeah.
Rudolph was the shooter?
Yeah.
And okay, so you guys were at Travis' house and he tried to fight you guys?
I came in and talked to him.
Okay, I went there to talk to him. Okay. Wait, hold on. They're saying that it happened in Lake Park. Okay, come here. Hey, one of them here is saying that the shooter is Travis Rudolph. Okay, so no, one of them saying that they went to his house to talk.
We're almost done here. I'll go back.
Okay, come here. I don't understand. So you guys went to Travis Rudolph's house to talk to him, right? Okay. The fucking dollars, bro. The fucking dollars. Okay. Listen, man. Thankfully you're here, bro. Thankfully you're here, and we're okay. We're glad that happened, okay. But I need for us to figure all this out. I need to know what happened, okay. So you guys went to Travis Rudolph's house to talk to him.
Yes.
And then what happened from there?
He came out wanting to fight.
Okay.
Yes. He's already hostile now.
Okay. Then we came out and what happened?
Altercation.
Altercation happened between you guys?
Yes. He's arguing verbally.
Okay.
Yes.
And then we just started shooting?
We went to the house and we already knew what time it was, so we ran to the car.
Okay, and then by the time you guys were leaving,
I'm in the back seat and I'm just like, this is some fucking movie.
Alright, go ahead, man. Just make sure you're not hit, you're not hurt, or anything. Let me just look at you and I'll check you out. Make sure you're not hit, because you know, adrenaline and stuff.
I'm good, I swear. Oh my God.
Okay. Yo, come here. I need your name, boss.
My name's
Christopher Lowe? Alright, Christopher, stay here, man. Stay here.
I'm trying, but
I understand. Listen.
this is the craziest shit I've ever
Yes.
seen in my fucking life.
And listen, and I'm not blowing up, man. I've been shot at. Alright. Okay, while we're okay, I know how scary that shit is. I know how scary that shit is, okay? So,
Oh my God, we're still missing Todd.
Christopher Lowe, right?
Yes.
Lowe?
Yeah.
What's your, you have a middle name?
Brian.
Brian? And what's your date of birth?
February 13th, 2000. Can I just check how long I love her, bro? That's it. I just feel like I love you, that's it.
Oh, yeah, that's fine. And then what's your phone number?
561
Uh-huh.
377
Uh-huh.
8266.
8266?
Yes.
Alright, what's your address, boss?
5045
Uh-huh.
Palm Hill Drive.
Palm Hill Drive?
Yeah.
Where's that at?
West Palm Beach.
West Palm Beach?
Please, excuse me.
What's your boy's name? Yeah. I need your boy's name. What's your boy's name?
Sebastian G. Jackson.
Sebastian? You got to say it. Sebastian what?
Oh my God, bro. Sebastian
Yeah.
G. Jackways. Jackways. JACQUES.
JACQUES?
Yeah.
You know your date of birth? All over here? Yeah.
He just turned 21.
He just turned 21?
He just turned 21 Sunday.
Okay.
Oh my God. Oh my fucking God. Oh.
Yo.
Oh my fucking God, bro. This is some fucking shit.
Alright. Come here, I need you to stay here. Alright. Okay.
I just gotta get my head together, boss. Alright.
You got what? Oh, that's the victim. I was gonna give it to Bori, dude.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just give it to Bori,
My
dude.
fucking ear is still fucking ringing.
I need you. I can't have you talk. I can't have you. Yeah. I just can't have you talk.
Oh my God, bro.
Right.
Why is he still in the car? Why is he still in the car?
Huh?
Why is he still in the car, man?
Come back.
Why is he still in the car, man?
Listen.
Oh my God.
This is nothing that you're not gonna know. Okay. So. Yo. Look at me. I'm not here to lie to you. Okay. And your boy. Okay. Is that something that you're not gonna figure out? Okay. Alright, it's not something that you're not gonna know.
I believe so from what one of the passengers is saying is that it started there and they were trying to drive them.
And when did you guys go to the hospital? I'm just asking. When did you guys go to St. Mary's Hospital?
The car stopped working.
The car stopped working?
They didn't really part of the year and didn't get the St. Mary's, I'm not sure.
Oh my God, bro. Oh my God, bro. Did I sit in the car or something, bro? Like, I don't even see
One of our cars? Alright. Yeah, that's fine. You can sit in my car.
Well, after starting Cadillac, we can use it.
Yep, he's putting him in the car. Alright, let me shoot out anything on you, okay? Alright. I know, yeah. If you're in the back seat, yeah. Yeah, I know.
I don't know how I didn't get hit, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you, God.
So, yeah.
All right, Judge, I believe that's all the videos.
All right. Very well. Thank you. Okay, folks. I understand the lunches are here, so go on back to your jury room and continue your deliberations.
Careful of your step. Come this way.
Yep.
It was hard.
Sir, where are you going, please?
All rise. Circuit Court is now in session. The Honorable Jeffrey Gillen presiding.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Go ahead and take your seats. I know Deputy Lubinsky is always diligent in this regard, but I'm going to make sure that everyone understands. I have no idea what the verdict is going to be in this case. Zero, none whatsoever. However, some of you may be happy, some of you may not be happy. Do not, under any circumstances, express your displeasure with anything that's gone on in this during the course of this trial or with the verdict when it is rendered. If you got to think about things and say things, you can do that on social media or any other way you wish, but there will be no violence allowed in this courtroom. There will be no violence allowed in this courthouse. There will be no confrontation, no loud, obnoxious behavior. You maintain your civility, ladies and gentlemen, at all times. Remember, we are all human beings. We all must live with one another. And that is the way you're going to behave in this courtroom and in this courthouse. All right, any reason why we can't bring the jury back into this room right now?
No, sir.
All right, thank you. Let's bring them in, please. Yes. Okay.
All rise. Jury entering.
All right, welcome back, everyone. Go ahead and take your seats. I am given to understand, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, that you have reached a verdict. Is that so? All right. Will the foreperson please hand the verdict form to one of our deputies? Deputy, somebody. Mike, would you go get that for me, please? publish the verdict, please.
In the Circuit Court of the 15th Judicial Circuit, Criminal Division, in and for Palm Beach County, Florida, case number 21 CF 002938 A and B, Division W, State of Florida versus Travis Rudolph. Defendant, verdict. We, the jury, find as follows. As to count 1, we find the defendant not guilty. As to count 2, we find the defendant not guilty. As to count 3, we find the defendant not guilty. As to count 4, we find the defendant not guilty. So say we all, the 7th day of June, 2023, in West Palm Beach, County, Florida.
Would either side like to have, would either side like to have the jury polled?
No, no.
All right, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I, on behalf of everyone who is a participant in this trial, would like to thank you for your time and your consideration. I also wish to advise you of special privileges enjoyed by jurors. In the absence of a court order, no juror can be required to talk about the discussion that occurred in the jury room. Our judicial system relies on juries for consideration of difficult cases. We recognize that a jury's deliberations, discussions, and votes should remain their private affair so long as they wish it. Therefore, the law gives you a unique privilege not to speak about the jury's work. The lawyers and their representatives are not permitted to initiate any communication with you about the trial. However, you may speak to the lawyers or anyone else about the trial if you wish. In the absence of a court order, you have the right to refuse to speak with anyone. A request may come from those who are simply curious or from those who might seek to find fault with you. It will be up to you to decide whether to preserve your privacy as a juror. I will add that I know that there has been a great deal of publication about this case. You need to keep that in mind. It's very possible you will be contacted by individuals. So keep those rights in mind that I just read to you. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm also now going to pass out to you letters identical to those which I've given your colleagues, the two alternate jurors whom I excused earlier in the afternoon, or I guess it was morning. I would encourage you, please, to take the time. It won't take you more than a minute or two, well, maybe 3 minutes, to fill out those questionnaires. I do, as I said before, I do take them very seriously. I look at them. I have made changes in the way in which I conduct jury trials and the manner in which I handle juries and jurors based on those responses to those questionnaires over time. So please take the time to fill those out and then throw them in the envelopes that have been pre-addressed and postage paid for you. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, once again. I know it's been a long time, a long process, and I thank you very much for your time, consideration, and work. You are relieved. All right, everyone, take your seats. It seems to me there are a couple of things we need to address, but I may be mistaken about that. So I'll turn first to Mr. Shiner. Is there anything I need to address so far as your client is concerned?
I think the court just needs to, I think the verdict was announced, so I think the court just needs to make sure the clerk documents it properly.
Okay, well, that will be done. You will, of course, yeah. All right, that's already done, as a matter of fact.
My client's also on house arrest.
That's what I was thinking about.
I would ask, I don't know how he gets off house arrest, but
Let me talk to the state about that.
Yeah, Judge, at this time, he would be released from house arrest.
Right.
Based on the verdict.
Okay, so he is not physically in custody of the sheriff's department, and that would be a different procedure. Now that he is on in-house arrest, do you know how he is taken off the monitor?
Judge, he would just need to contact whoever he's been reporting to.
Okay.
Judge, I'm sorry, go ahead.
He would just need to contact whoever he was list is removed.
And Judge, I've had in the past where the situation happened and judges have ordered the deputies in the courtroom to cut it off.
I will not do that. All right, but I will authorize you immediately, get on your cell phone right now if you want, and contact whomever it is that's responsible for that, and tell them that I have ordered that his monitor be removed.
Yes, sir.
All right, anything else
No, I'm just
from either side?
Judge, I'm going to file a motion, but it's not appropriate to do it now to return property, but I'll file that motion.
All right, very well.
Judge,
Anything else?
Is all the evidence to be returned to the parties?
No. The evidence is going to be kept by the clerk's office until such time as a motion is filed, particularly with respect to firearms. All right? All right, thank you. Anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Stay calm, everyone. Stay calm. And more importantly, stay safe.
Yeah, go that way.
That's okay.
Are you here to help her?
Jasmine. No, I wanted to make sure. I didn't know you were here, so I wanted to make sure because I thought we would have to get rid of it.
Yeah, as she was coming back,
Check it.
as she was coming back from lunch without a verdict.
me a favor, you guys can put down there out of the archway for please. Archway. You guys want to go right down the steps out there by the sidewalk. Thanks, guys. Media, come on, guys. Everyone down here by the sidewalk. Excuse me. Good job. Good job. Alan, you're in front of us.
Excuse me. I'm sorry.
Ready? All right. I want to thank the jury, court, everybody that's been involved in this case. It's been a long couple-year battle for Travis. We're just grateful to everybody that he had his life back and he came out. We knew he wasn't guilty. He's one of the nicest human beings you ever met. Whether he plays sports or not, this is a true man and did what he had to do. Any questions? Feel free to ask.
Travis, what does this verdict mean to you?
It means everything, man. I finally got my freedom back and can get back to my life, man. I just want to thank the jurors, thank the court, thank everyone that was involved in this, man, because it means a lot for the support with everyone.
What do you think of the fact that they came back with a verdict in just 3 or 4 hours?
I mean, I just felt like it was right. You know what I'm saying? I knew all along, you know what I'm saying, that I did what I had to do to protect me and my brother's life. So.
Also, before I interrupt you, I just want to tell you it's been a team effort with Ms. Perlette, who couldn't be here today. And also, this is Ralph Morrison. He's a private investigator, former law enforcement officer and Marine. And Ralph is behind the scenes in many cases, and without him, we couldn't have done this.
This has been a momentous day for you. What's next for you in your life, Travis?
What's next? Definitely going to celebrate with my family, get back to trying to play football and everything. And just a walking testimony that, you know, without these two guys, Heidi, my team, my foundation, I wouldn't be here today.
Travis, you're smiling big right now. Now that you're officially acquitted, can you walk us through what the past 2 years were like, knowing that you didn't do anything wrong?
Oh, man, it's just a lot of tears were shed, man. Overwhelming tears, you know what I'm saying? Long nights, sleepless nights, everything. So that's what the last 2 years have been for me.
Do you feel like you want to pursue a case against any of the other players that played in what happened 2 more years ago?
Well, I'm not going to let Travis answer that at this point. He's just going to enjoy his freedom now, and we'll look at all options later on.
What does this mean for your football career? What are your plans there?
I'm gonna reach out to my agent, and God's willing, I'll still be able to play football. So definitely plan on getting back to football.
CFL or NFL? Or?
Yeah, anyone, just an opportunity. I love the game. So
you're not out of your prime yet, huh?
No, I'm just actually reaching my prime.
Were you nervous when we didn't know what was going to happen here? I know you and your family were out in the hallway praying. Could you tell us why that was an important thing for you?
Of course. I mean, it's just the fact of not knowing. You know what I'm saying? Like, your life is in 12 jurors' hands. That's a scary feeling. So definitely was nervous, and we definitely pray a lot. We have unwavering faith. So
Travis had faith from day one. He never, even the day he was arrested, he told me how innocent he was and how he didn't do anything on purpose. And he's never varied from his story. He's the first client in 35 years who had the exact same version from day one till he testified. And he's been totally confident, more than any of us actually, that the truth was going to come out, and his belief in God helped him get through this.
You have your mom, your brother, so many of your loved ones are out here. Tell us about their support right now and how you feel.
It's a lot of support, man. I love my mom. I'm a mama's boy. I know she can finally probably sleep more, you know what I'm saying? Thank God for my brother, man. He's a hero as well. It's not just me.
Mom, how do you feel? You have a few words, Mom?
The only thing I say is thank you, God.
That's going to be all right.
Thank you for making this day happen. And I love you.
What would you say to the jury? Anything you want to say to the jury?
I really appreciate the jury. They made the right decision. And God bless them all. And I appreciate them for taking out the time to actually listen to the truth come out.
what does not guilty verdict on not one but all 4 counts mean? What kind of message does that send, Mark?
Well, you know, life, we're all human. We all make mistakes. I was tough on the lead officer. It's nothing personal. She really did arrest this man without the right information. And we hope it's a learning experience. That's what life's about. And hopefully she gets her cases done differently next time and she learns something from this and the sheriff learns from this. Because there's many mistakes made. And if those mistakes weren't made and this case was done properly, we may not be here. But we are here. So let's take this as a learning experience, and we have no hard feelings towards anyone, and we wish everyone the best, and everyone lost in this case. No matter what the verdict is, we're all losers as a community. But we're happy that the truth came out.
How has Travis lost in this case?
He lost 2 years of his life. 2 years of playing football, 2 years of roaming free, 2 years of hugging his family, 2 years of having a possible life sentence hanging over his head, having to pay for lawyers, having to suffer sleepless nights and worrying about this case. He's lost immensely that he'll never get back, but at least he can start his life over. Today he's being reborn.
Is there a message you'd like to give to the other families, the other parties that are involved in this case?
Well, everyone should be responsible for their own actions. Right or wrong, we should all be responsible for what we do. And the jury spoke loud and clear that these men are responsible for the death of their friend. And maybe the state attorney's office will look a little differently next time, or even now at this case, as to who the real perpetrators were. But we can't change that.
To the John Jock family?
Well, we're sorry for their loss, obviously. It's sad that anyone died, but responsibility is the most important thing. And that's why I've been doing this on both sides for so long, as a prosecutor and as a defense lawyer, because I believe in responsibility and the truth. And the truth came out today.
This verdict was unanimous, right? They had to all 12 agree on the same thing?
All agreed, yes, sir.
And could he have faced multiple life sentences or one life sentence?
Oh, he was facing by first-degree murder was life in prison without parole. The attempted murders were a minimum of 25 years to life. So he would have died in prison. The opposite verdict, you would not ever see this man again, a free man. This verdict, he's now a free man.
So he could have potentially gotten 4 life sentences?
Basically, yes, sir. Okay?
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You're free to go.
Oh, is that right?
I had to say that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I gotta run back up.
You gotta go up? Trying out for the CFL. What do you guys think? I'm ready. You're welcome. I'm gonna throw you an imaginary pass and you running for freedom now.
Hey,
don't look back. Run.
Make sure you call Ken and let him know I'm ready, baby. All right. Okay.
You're welcome. Oh, my pleasure.
Free, nigga. Free. Oh, you good? Trap.
I know, right? Did they take your mama?
Nah, they doing that now.
Oh, okay.